kia Puamiria Parata-Goodall, ko te waipuke he tohu nā tāwhiri mātea.
The taiao is very clearly telling us, I'm going to reclaim my space again. So you know what? You fellas need to move.
Nō te mutunga wiki kua hipa, e toru ngā wā kua tūwhera te roto o te waihora ki a Tangaroa, hei whakamimiti te waipuke i te whenua. E ai kia Parata-Goodall, tērā pēa koe nei te wā me neke te marae o Ngāti Moki.
It is something for us that we are already contemplating. We are already doing our own planning about where is the highland within Taumutu, the takiwa, and figuring out how much that land will take in infrastructure. We've lost several pā already. We will lose more, and in my mokopuna's lifetime, it will be a different landscape again.
E tuana te pā o Ngāti Moki tataki te roto o te waihora, no te rawiki i pūhakehake te roto nā te ua. Mehe mea ka pēnei, ka pēhia te papa wai e te pēhanga o te roto, a ka pue ake te wai ki te mata o te whenua.
The preparation for opening the lake was in place before the event. However, the way that the science work, and I'm not a scientist, however, what I've learnt in recent days is that in order to open the lake, you actually need the lake to be at a particular level. Unfortunately, the lake didn't get high enough to trigger that until we were in the event. During the middle of the event, that sea was terrible. Tangaroa was having a good bash at that coastline. It was too dangerous for the machines to go out, so we had to hold the machines until it was safe enough.
Nā ai ki te mea o te kaunihera o Selwyn, e hara te mahi whakamimiti roto i te mahi māma.
The ocean does what oceans want to do, and unfortunately over the last 3 days it has been to close the lake opening. I've just had confirmation that the lake has been reopened again today, which is great news, and hopefully it can remain open so that Te Wahora Lake Ellesmere can lower its level into the ocean, and then the lake, particularly the Hallsville River and areas around the back of Taitapu, which are still very wet at the moment, can drain.
Nā hakoa te waipuke, he mea pai te ua mō te repo o papatahora, he kuku waihou i te pā o Moki.
I think we've got a lake out there at the moment in our wetlands, which tells us that it's exactly the right place where we need to put the wetlands, and just it will help our team to design it going forward, because it's not fully constructed yet, but it's doing its job and it is the right place for it.
Nō nai nei koinei te wā ki te ako, ki te whakamahere anō hoki mō ngā āhuatanga o te rangi kei te haramai. Ora kairangi Nicholas, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te take.